Hello everyone, in this video, we will take you on a trip around one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, which is Iguazu Falls. Follow us. Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking and awe-inspiring natural wonder located in the border between Argentina and Brazil. This UNESCO World Heritage Site and Natural Reserve spans over 80 kilometers and features two impressive waterfalls, the smaller San Antonio Falls and the larger Iguazu Falls. The Iguazu Falls is a fascinating destination that offers numerous attractions for both tourists and nature enthusiasts. The best way to experience the falls is by taking a guided tour offered by local companies. These tours provide an unforgettable perspective of the falls from various vantage points, including the lookout points at the Argentina and Brazil sides. One of the most spectacular aspects of Iguazu Falls is the sheer size and volume of water that cascades down from the mountains. During the wet season, from November to February, the falls can generate up to 10 million cubic meters of water per second. This massive flow creates a powerful soundtrack that echoes through the entire Iguazu Valley. The sheer sight of water rushing down the mountains, surrounded by lush forests and vibrant wildlife, is truly a humbling experience. Iguazu Falls is also a haven for wildlife, with numerous species of birds, mammals, and reptiles found in the surrounding forests. Keep an eye out for the penguins swimming in the Iguazu River, the brown and black howler monkeys swinging from tree to tree, and the fascinating macaws soaring through the sky. A visit to Iguazu Falls is a must for anyone seeking an unforgettable adventure in the heart of nature. The combination of breathtaking beauty, rich history, and thrilling outdoor activities make this destination a must-see for travelers around the world.